Good evening from the National Weather Service office in Slidell, Louisiana. Here is the weekly weather briefing for the next 7 days for Sunday, July 19th, 2020. Typical summertime weather pattern through midweek with partly cloudy skies, hot and humid conditions with scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. A tropical wave located over the southeastern Bahamas will move across the Gulf this week, bringing the potential for heavy rainfall on Thursday and Friday. Tropical development is possible, but too early to determine at this time. Conditions expected to return to summertime conditions by the weekend with highs in the 90s with scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Here is the rainfall outlook for the next 7 days. Along and north of the I-10 and 12 corridor, we could expect to see 1 to 2 inches of rainfall with locally higher amounts, up to 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts along the Louisiana coast. Here is the tropical weather outlook for the next 5 days. A disturbance located currently over the southeastern Bahamas is expected to slowly move along through the central Gulf and into the western Gulf near the Texas coast by the end of the week. Here's the forecast for the temperatures and the heat index for the next 3 days. Expect to see highs in the upper 80s to the lower 90s through the early part of the week, with heat indexes as high as 100 to 105 along the coast and 105 to 110 interior areas possible, especially on Tuesday. Summary of impacts. Again, typical summertime weather pattern will exist through the early and middle part of the week. A tropical wave located over the southeastern Bahamas will move across the Gulf this week, bringing the potential for heavy rainfall on Thursday and Friday. Tropical development is possible, but too early to determine at this time. Expect to see more typical summertime conditions returning by the upcoming weekend. This concludes the 7-day outlook for July 19th, 2020. Have a good evening.